वळवयच्या कला चेतना संस्थेन विश्वविक्रम केला. गांव जाला जाणटो नाटकाचे एका दिसा फाटोफाट 7 प्रयोग करून विक्रम केला.
To everyone present here, it is with immense pride and joy that we, at the World Records Book of India, officially announce an honor and extraordinary theatrical milestone. Today, we recognize a powerful and passionate performance that has made history. We are thrilled to declare that Kala Chetana Valve, under the remarkable production of Mr. Rajdeep Naik and written by Sujita Narvekar, has successfully set a world record for maximum shows. So at one more special is that Ganv Zala Zantto is also the first ever Konkani drama to be performed in the UK. On behalf of the World Records Book of India, I extend our heartfelt congratulations to the entire team. Your dedication and passion have not only set a record, but also raised the bar of Indian theatre globally. And I am happily announce this is the first world record which is a single day 7 shows single venue and by single team.
प्रुडंट खातीर विवेक प्रभू.